Hello guys, so in one of my previous videos I talked about my secret to learning language on my own in a short time. So if you guys missed it, go ahead and watch it before watching this one so that you can get more details for this video, because in this one I'm going to talk about how I learned the Brazilian Portuguese on my own and show you all that I used to do so. Okay, so let's go to my phone screen to see all that I did. Well, what I did at first is go on YouTube and type Portuguese pronunciation. So it is already written, Portuguese pronunciation. I found some videos about pronunciation. I watched this video, how to pronounce Portuguese like a native speaker. Then I watched this one, introduction to Portuguese pronunciation. And then this one, Portuguese vowels. And finally I watched this video, Portuguese pronunciation video 1. While watching them, I used the copybook to take notes so I could review what I have learned after. Then I tried to start with the conjugation. For that, I found a great book which is called Modern Brazilian Portuguese Grammar. To get it, you need to go on an app store. For example, I went on Play Store and downloaded an app called Super PDF Drive. Here it is. You just type Super PDF Drive. It is an app where you can download so many books. I am going to show you how to download the book on this app. So let's open it because I already have it installed on my phone. Okay, you need to type Modern Brazilian Portuguese Grammar. Okay, let's type. Okay, Modern Brazilian Portuguese Grammar. So here's the book, Modern Brazilian Portuguese Grammar. Just click on it and click on download to download it. Here it is, Modern Brazilian Portuguese Grammar, a practical guide. As I said, it is a great book, everyone can use it. Okay, and what I like most about it is that they really focus on the language as it is spoken and written today. Let me show you what I said. If you go here, you can see emphasis on the language as it is spoken and written today. Okay, and as I said, I studied with the conjugation. For that, let's just open this chapter, regular verb, conjugations. I studied with some tenses like present indicative, imperfect indicative, predicate indicative, etc. Okay, I studied learning the formations, and then I studied with some other basic notions about the grammar, like gender and gender agreement, number, articles, adjectives and adverbs, numbers, personal pronouns, demonstratives, possessives, relative pronouns, etc. And there are so many other notions. Okay, as I said, if you missed the video about my secret to learning language, in a short time I'm going to watch it so that you can understand this one better and get more details about it. By the way, I'm also recommending a Brazilian teacher to you, even if I didn't have the chance to attend lessons with her, but I did research on that and I think her channel will be able to help you a lot. Okay, for that you just need to go on YouTube and type Portuguese com Marcia. Here it is, and you need to click here and go to the playlist so you can find all the lessons. You can see pronúncia, vocabulário, chegar de errar, cultura, gramática, etc. But I think you need at least a very basic level or intermediate level to start attending lessons with her, because she speaks only in Portuguese. Okay, then to start learning some basic words, sometimes there's an app I went on Play Store and downloaded. It is called Portuguese Brazilian Free. Here it is. You can download it. They teach you the words in group. and they also give you examples for the word. Okay, and as dictionary, let's just type Portuguese English dictionary. So this dictionary, Portuguese English dictionary, and translator free. It is a great dictionary. They also give you examples for the word when you type your word. Okay, and to start listening to some basic conversations, I also typed Portuguese conversation. I found this app. Okay, you'll be able to listen to so many conversations and read them. Okay, but if you don't want to use it, you can also go on YouTube and type Portuguese basic conversation. So you'll find so many conversations about the language or in the language. Okay, then there are two very important books that I'd like to recommend to you too. To get them, you just need to go on Super PDF Drive and type Colloquial Brazilian Portuguese. So here's the first one, Colloquial Portuguese of Brazil, and this is the second one. Okay, Colloquial Portuguese of Brazil. You can just click on them to download them. Okay, they're very important. You can use them to keep learning more about the language. Then for translation, I went on Play Store and downloaded an app called Reverse Context. Okay, it is a great app. You can translate from English into Portuguese so it contains so many languages. Okay, not only these two languages. And I sometimes use Google Translate. Okay, but Reverse Context is my favorite one. And to find out people to practice, you can use Hello Talk. Okay, it is a great app, Hello Talk. You'll meet many people to practice, mostly native speakers. Okay, and sometimes I used Tandem, but Hello Talk is my favorite one. Okay, I don't really use Tandem anymore, so I just keep using Hello Talk. Here's Tandem. So finally, there's another YouTube channel that I'm going to recommend to you too. To get it, you need to go on YouTube and type Easy Brazilian Portuguese. As you can see, it has 56 videos, and they also give you subtitles in both English and Portuguese, which is very important for you. Okay, and then there's a soap opera that I downloaded. If you want, you can also use it. It is called Asas do Amor. Okay, in order to keep listening in the language. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye, see you next time.